Let's talk about Sprout. He's a friendly little robot. Fauna Robotics was founded with the idea that humanoid robots should be designed for humans. When we concepted Sprout, we wanted to build a robot that was small, lightweight, soft to the touch, safe to be around, and easy to program. And we want to build the tools and the hardware and software to make it possible for developers all over the world to take advantage of this technology.
If you look at our robot, you can tell that it's been designed from the outside in. It's much more approachable, it's much more animated, it's an object that you want to be around.
The human-robot interaction features, the eyebrows, the LEDs, the voices, the built-in animations are all to make this feel really fun.
Sprout is actually our 5th robot that we've designed in a little less than 18 months.
The Onshape workflow lets us optimize for speed, for ease of prototyping, for experimentation, and for release to manufacturing in a really fast way. And is relatively lightweight. We don't have to have a CAD administrator to run the back end of the system. This inherent backups, the inherent data storage mechanisms of Onshape makes for a really easy workflow for my developers.
We spend essentially no time keeping everybody working, keeping everybody's computers working, updating their hardware, troubleshooting like local installation issues. None of that happens. You sit down and you just work.
With multiple designers touching multiple parts of the system and a very, very tight hardware-software integration, having everything live in the cloud just makes a ton of sense.
Being able to experiment with designs with branching and merging is huge. We can keep our main CAD in good shape, and someone can say, here, I have this idea for how to fix this issue that just came up in this branch, check it out. We can all look at it right away. While we iterate on our designs, they can be continuously updated from the highest level design information all the way down, which is just honestly light years ahead of how development happened in the past. We developed our own tools and used other tools that people have written in feature scripts. I was even able to develop a couple features that we use all the time. And there have been several times where I know I need to clear several days of time in order to make a change and then end up finishing it in 10 minutes.
The release processes and BOM management in Onshape are lightweight, and that lets us release parts in a lower friction way and get the right revision out to vendors as quickly as possible.
If we didn't have access to the API features in order to get things out in a more or less completely automated fashion, our ability to iterate and test designs would be way less.
One of the nice things about this being a cloud-based platform is that we don't have to worry about data integrity, and we don't have to manage that ourselves. We can rely that our data is always going to be secure on Onshape.
People are onboarding within a couple of days. Everyone who's tried it has basically decided they never want to go back to another CAD package.
Today, we already have partners imagining all kinds of use cases for this platform. In the academic setting, people are using it for advanced AI research around locomotion and manipulation. Researchers are using it for human-robot interaction prototyping. What is it like to talk to a robot? What is it like to live around a robot? These are things that are sort of new to the world. There's a lot of unanswered questions here, but Sprout is the perfect platform for learning about those use cases, prototyping those use cases, and figuring out where we need to go next.
Onshape gives us just a huge amount more autonomy in how we manage our CAD, how we use our CAD. I am very excited to see where Onshape goes and what happens with Onshape.